Grab a cup of coffee or hot cocoa and let's chat. Today I want to debunk the myth about Christmas gift cards. A lot of people have questioned, is giving a gift card very personal, or is that just like, that's an easy thing? Well, I've spoken with a lot of different age groups and just talking with some young ladies today that one was 19, the other one's I think 22 or 23. And I asked them, what would you prefer for Christmas? And they said, definitely gift cards. So if you're feeling like, I don't know if that's really like a good gift to give, I think it's a great gift because they get all excited to go buy something they really want. Maybe they don't have the money to purchase something they've really been wanting, and you make that possible, and that's really exciting. What gift card do you give? To their favorite store? If you know they're like majorly into Starbucks, maybe a Starbucks gift card. A couple of Christmases ago, our baby girl who lives out in Seattle was not going to be able to be home for Christmas. So we kind of did like a 12 days of Christmas type thing, not exactly, but every couple of days we sent her a Christmas card with a gift card to one of her favorite places. I think one was to Starbucks, one was to Chick-fil-A, I think one was to Chipotle. I don't remember, maybe one was to Walmart. I don't remember what all, but it was just a fun little way for every day for her or every few days she would go to her mailbox and there would be a card from us with a gift card telling her Merry Christmas and how much we loved her. I hope this video's helped you. If it did, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day and a very Merry Christmas. God bless. Bye.